Right, so today we're gonna go and look at some beaches because I need an excuse to ride the bike. So let's go. Here we are, beach number 1, but that's our first excuse down. We need to now go to that beach because I dropped my keys there. Let's go. So I realized that I actually have no gas, so we better Yeah. It's pretty good, all things considered. Alright, let's hit the road. Alright, so we've made it. Oh. And here we are. Now this is not the beach that I initially pointed at. It's actually the one next to it. But I remembered that I actually forgot my keys here and not at the other beach. It wasn't the fact that this one is further away or anything. It's just that a bad memory, you know? I had to catch myself up. So here we are. Amazing. Okay, let's go back, I guess. Let's go. Now I've enjoyed the beach. Fantastic, beautiful, amazing. Right, let's go. Boys, look at this. What a destination for a bike ride. Doesn't get much better. Doesn't get much better. All the twisted turns to get up here too. It's fantastic. Yes. Well worth the trip, I reckon. Well worth the ride.